Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 26th of November, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of November, 2024, our system has designated Intel as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.56. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 3.99% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.27% since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth within this trend. The current 3-month trend points to an anticipated change of approximately 22.97% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 17.35% to 39.4%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected decline of about 55.17% over the next 12 months, with a potential return varying from negative 77.63% to negative 53.87%. This would imply a price range between $5.38 and $11.09 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel highlights a significant development. The evaluation of Intel stock has been downgraded following the last trading session. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 26th of November, 2024, the Intel stock price decreased by 3.3%, moving from $24.87 to $24.05. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.93%, with a low of $23.81 and a high of $24.99. Although the price has increased on 6 out of the last 10 days, it remains down by 0.46% for that period. Notably, trading volume also declined on the last day, which is typically a positive indicator, as volume should ideally align with stock movement. On that day, trading volume decreased by 13 million shares, resulting in a total of 65 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.56 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $51.28 and its lowest price of $18.51. Currently, the stock price is 53.10%, or $27.23 below the 52-week high, and 65.29%, or $45.24 below the all-time high recorded on the 24th of January, 2020, when the stock peaked at $69.29. Intel, or INTC, is currently in the spotlight due to significant developments affecting its market position. Qualcomm's interest in acquiring Intel seems to be diminishing, largely due to the complexities surrounding the deal. This shift could potentially stabilize Intel's stock by alleviating the uncertainty associated with a possible takeover. However, Intel's stock has recently seen a decline, largely due to the announcement of a smaller-than-expected CHIPS Act award. Instead of the anticipated $8.5 billion, Intel will receive approximately $7.9 billion. This reduction may dampen investor sentiment in the short term, as it reflects potential challenges in scaling operations and achieving growth targets. This reduced funding when viewed alongside Intel's performance in the NASDAQ 100 index, where it is recognized as one of the least successful performers, suggests that investors may adopt a cautious approach. While the CHIPS Act funding is vital for strengthening domestic manufacturing, the lower allocation could hinder Intel's competitive edge. Looking ahead, analysts will closely monitor how this funding influences Intel's capacity to innovate and execute its strategy amid a changing semiconductor landscape. If managed effectively, this investment could position Intel for recovery and growth, potentially leading to a more favorable outlook for the stock. However, immediate reactions may continue to impact its price as investors digest these mixed signals. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Intel a sell grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Intel an equal weight grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Intel a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Intel a reduce grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned Intel an underperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Intel stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio also as buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. As the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average, which is approximately $24.42. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average, approximately $23.62. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would indicate a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged that may influence the short-term outlook. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, November 7th, 2024, and since then, it has declined by 8.31%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume has decreased in tandem with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages suggested a buy signal 16 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average presented a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.56 and $21.84. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, Intel has support just below today's level at $22.56. Should this be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.84 and $21.47. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a good trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.18 between its high and low, which represents approximately 4.93%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.43%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could signal risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 23rd of January in the year 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at 12 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $24.87. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $22.56. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of November, in the year 2024, Holthaus Michelle Johnston executed an insider sale of 25,000 shares of common stock. On the 4th of November in the year 2024, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider purchase of 11,150 shares of common stock. On the 31st of October in the year 2024, Zinsner David made an insider purchase of 6,502 shares of common stock. On the 31st of October in the year 2024, Zinsner David also executed an insider sale of 3,224 shares of common stock. On the 31st of October in the year 2024, Zinsner David conducted an insider sale of 6,502 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 4.743. In total, insiders acquired 435,787 shares and disposed of 469,586 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.78, reflecting a decrease of 5.28%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 13 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to qualify it as a buy candidate. At the present level, it should be seen as a hold candidate, meaning it is advisable to hold or accumulate while awaiting further developments. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance since our last evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 27th of November, we anticipate Intel will open up 232 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $24.28. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us when making your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.